Wajir County in northern Kenya, a sprawling 56,000 square kilometer arid expanse, is home to over 780,000 residents, predominantly nomadic communities, according to the 2019 Population and Housing Census. Wajir, located at the heart of the vast northeastern province, borders Garissa County to the south, Isiolo and Marsabit to the west, and Mandera to the north. For decades, the communities living in this county have borne the brunt of marginalization, grappling with underdevelopment and minimal access to essential services. Now, the devastating effects of climate change, prolonged droughts, erratic rainfall, and dwindling resources have further compounded their challenges. These challenges have left the region lagging behind in terms of development when compared to other regions. However, there is a glimmer of hope. Devolution, to some huge extent, has helped bridge the gap.
Devolution was in many ways a game changer in this country, first of all, because it, in a limited way, thus far, opened up the periphery. I grew up in this town at a time when someone going to Nairobi or coming from Nairobi will be asked about Kenya, as though this part of the country is not part of Kenya. I think devolution has dealt with that in a sense. And the same can be said of any sector. If you look at ECD, you look at livestock sector, a lot has really changed. This town has grown significantly.
While landing at Wajir International Airport, the transformation this region has had is eye-catching. These significant strides in critical sectors has made a tangible difference in the lives of residents despite the region's harsh conditions.
We still have a long way to go to keep pace with the average county, to reach where the other counties are in terms of performance indicators, in terms of literacy level, healthcare, and all the others. But we have come a very long way. I was actually just looking at the list of hospitals per county, and we're in the top 5, 6 at 178 facilities. That can never have been if devolution was not here.
Inside Wajir municipality, it is a beehive of activities compared to earlier times when businesses were inactive. Standing out are a number of high-rise buildings, the construction of tarmac roads, and the installation of a modern lighting system that has improved security and enhanced the town's outlook. These developments have encouraged entrepreneurs to extend their operations into the night, fostering economic growth in the county.
We have also restored the floodlights across the municipal. All of them now, they are working, and people are doing business even at midnight. Security-wise, it has really helped because the security team plus our enforcement team, when they do rounds, everywhere is light. Basically, all those floodlights we have strategically put in the 4 corners of this municipal. And inside, within the CBD also, we have put just to make sure that the security of our residents remain paramount.
For our visitors who are coming over, rest assured that you can walk around our towns in Wajir. I can for sure say that Wajir town, I can rate it, because I've worked in so many towns in this country of Kenya. I can rate Wajir town now as one of the safest towns.
Aided by daily regular flights to and from Nairobi, Wajir, once a dusty town, is slowly turning into a business hub.
This has come up as a result of good devolution, well-maintained roads, airlines that we do charter 2 times a day, That is the morning flight and the evening flight. This is actually improving each and every day. That we are calling for those who doesn't know about Wajir to come in plenty to invest in Wajir.
Since devolution ikuje, kila mali ni lami, tuna access mpaka airport, mpaka Bulaborago, mpaka Halale. Zamani tulikuwa tunatumia gari nyingi, gari ambayo ni Probox ama Succeed. Lakini sasa hizi venye imekuja devolution, tunatumia hasa gari ndogo inaitwa Alto. Kuna tuktuk imekuja na bodaboda ambayo vijana wengi wanaendesha bodaboda, wengi wanaendesha tuktuk. So sisi hasa wakazi wa Wajir, devolution imetusaidia sana.
Since the introduction of devolution, Wajir County has made significant progress in transforming the lives of its residents. The county has prioritized investments in vital sectors such as water and healthcare.
This county is, we joke, is the Saudi Arabia of Kenya, because it has no lakes and it has no rivers. And we use what we call boreholes, which are water wells that we drill deep. And we had about 82 of them in 2013. Now, by the latest count, we are 357. That's more than what? 4 times in a span of 12 years.
For water, since January 2023, the county has drilled 44 boreholes. 37 of them have been a success. In towns and villages, residents are rejoicing at the joy of finally getting water.
The county department, in its efforts to increase access to water and service provision, is also trying to reduce the period of responding to borehole breakdown. Our current fleet of borehole maintenance vehicles and team have been tracked using the car tracking devices. So the time we send the team from Wajir town to the borehole is a time that can be estimated and easily monitored. And with that, we've been responding to at least 3 borehole breakdowns a day for the month of November. We've also increased our water tracking services to settlements that don't have water. We are providing water to almost more than 70 settlements. Those areas are areas that are very far from sources of water such as boreholes and other reliable sources of water.
Wajir County, like many arid and semi-arid regions in Kenya, struggles with inadequate healthcare infrastructure. This sector gets the lion's share in Wajir County's budget allocation. Prioritizing healthcare ensures that more health facilities can be established and equipped, reducing the distance residents must travel for medical care.
If you look at the healthcare system, we had about 47 dispensaries and hospitals in 2013 when we took over. Today, we have 178 registered facilities, of which 175 of them are now fully licensed for SHA, licensed and participating in this SHA program. And we had 1 doctor here in 2013. Today we have 75 doctors in the county, between those that were training as consultants and those who are already back. The main hospital here has over 20 consultants. And we had 1 MO in 2013.
The county government has upgraded 8 level 3 hospitals across all 6 constituencies and is transforming Wajir Referral Hospital into a level 5 facility.
When we came in 2013, we were struggling to find nurses, and there was a very high turnover. So we set up a medical training college here with county money. That college has stabilized our supply pipeline of nurses and lower cadre staff. This year alone, we recruited over 212 into our healthcare system. Soon, we're posting doctors to another 8 places, and these are the health centers that we're upgrading to level 4 or to what we call 3B. As we upgrade these 8 to level 4s, we are also upgrading the main referral hospital to level 5. And that's the big facility that you see is coming up, almost done now. It has more operating theaters, it has ICU, HDU, new accident and emergency, new radiology.
The county has established a satellite blood bank, is completing an ICU-equipped accident and emergency center, and has operationalized a renal unit.
The essence is just to bring the services closer to people and also improve on service delivery, reduce maternal mortality.
To mitigate the impact of drought and enhance food security, Wajir County has encouraged residents to diversify into crop farming. The county established model farms across the county and supported farmers with farm inputs and value chains such as beekeeping, livestock restocking, and horticulture. Additionally, the county allocated millions to farmer groups to combating locusts and other pests, invested in water infrastructure by excavating major water ponds and equipping solar-powered shallow wells to boost irrigation and agricultural production.
The government manifested this introduction of large-scale model farms. Among the farms, already we have more than 7 enhanced water irrigation structures, which are developed by the county government structures. Among them, there are very many others, small, which are also county-wide. Besides, there are machineries, which was launched by His Excellency the Governor. Tractors. We have more than 10 tractors at the moment for plowing, for planting, and including even harvesting of crops. We're also providing some support by giving out people seeds, seed money, seeds, and also other farm inputs. So this has really enhanced food security situation. And also with that, we have also partners. There are various partners. We have WFP, we have World Vision, WASDA, and various other small NGOs currently. And we are trying to ensure that within the next 2 years, Wajir will be food secure, both for food consumption and nutrition.
Livestock is the backbone of Wajir County's economy, but diseases like CCPP and PPR pose significant threats to animal health and food security. To address this, the county has intensified vaccination campaigns aiming to vaccinate 800,000 livestock, while also providing essential deworming and other treatments to safeguard livelihoods and boost resilience.
This is done free of charge. We don't normally charge. We don't charge our farmers or herders, and because this is our main economic backbone. And this is why, how, and what our people rely on in terms of the economic mainstay. So we, for now, give them on free basis, vaccinate the animals freely, with the hope that they are able to sustain their lives and livelihoods going forward, inshallah.
To enhance education, the Wajir County government allocated 280 million shillings in bursaries to needy students over the past 2 financial years. This support has eased the burden on disadvantaged parents, particularly those affected by drought and economic hardships. Wajir County, with support from Mercy Corps, launched a GIS tool to improve rangeland management through data-driven decision-making, addressing climate change challenges and promoting sustainable development.
The GIS, the Geospatial Resource Center, will really help us as a county to be able to automate our manual workflows. And one of the things that it does is that currently we are operating using manual processes. It will automate our land records. We'll be able to digitize and digitalize our services. The GIS is not only for land department, it is bigger than that. Then the county is also trying to really map all its resources, be it water sources, rangeland resources, not only map them but protect and conserve those resources and help the communities to be able to utilize those resources for sustainability, both in the current generation and for future generations.
Since the advent of devolution in 2013, Wajir County has made significant progress, but the emergence of unplanned settlements has created challenges in resource allocation, straining the county's ability to deliver services effectively.
Our struggle now actually is to tell people we have enough hospitals. Can we improve their quality? All right? Stop new settlements. Stop, the agitation for new dispensaries. The ones we have are enough to serve us.
As the county government gears to complete the abattoir and the industrial park, it is opening more doors to prospective investors to be part of this historic transformation. Wajir Governor Ahmed Abdullahi's visionary leadership as the pioneer governor has truly transformed Wajir County, laying a solid foundation for development and progress since devolution began.